Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add markers to your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go here, and then I'm just going to select this, which is add marker, or press M on my keyboard. Here you're just going to right click to edit the marker. For instance, you want to change the color, and you can also type in the title of your marker, so that when you kind of hover your mouse over it, you'll be able to see the marker. And then here as well, I'm going to add in a marker, and I'm just going to right click to edit it. Press done, and that's pretty much how you can add in and delete markers in CapCut PC. You can just delete all markers in clip, or just delete this one marker. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!